Hi everyone, I am Vandana and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Wendy's Word. Friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also like and share the videos if you are from the pharmacy background, because in my previous videos I have shared many things regarding to the pharmacy sector, particularly the pharmacist in UAE and in Dubai, and also shared about the licensing procedures, about the jobs in Dubai, and in my future videos also I'll be sharing all these kind of things which are related to the pharma, related to Dubai life and the jobs in Dubai. So today's video is actually going to be a different from the one I was making from like last 1-2 months. So because some people have asked me about this sector also, because we all know pharmacy is not just one profession, that is pharmacist. It has a wide range of jobs, and one of the jobs that I have come up today with is the medical rep job in UAE and medical rep job in Dubai. And some people have also asked to make the video on medical representative job, so on their demand also I have made this video today. So friends, medical rep job is actually a very good flourishing job in Dubai. It's also one of the demanding jobs like a pharmacist in Dubai and the whole UAE, because in Dubai as well as in UAE we usually import medicines. Okay, we manufacturing is here but not so much. There are companies but not as many as we have in India. So here mostly medicines and cosmetics and the related things are all imported. So we have a lot of companies here which work in this sector of importing these medicines and then supplying these medicines to the pharmacy chains and pharmacies in the whole UAE. Because of this reason, we have always medical representative jobs in demand. Like we have it in pharmacists are always in demand here. Always we will see some of the other vacancies in some of the other chain pharmacies or individual pharmacy, small groups, big groups, always have the vacancy for the pharmacist. The same way we always have vacancies for the medical representatives also. And also this is a field where even the fresher can start their career. You know, you can start your career as a medical rep in UAE and Dubai. And the best thing about this job is that you don't need a license. You don't need to appear for any exam like DHA, MOH or HAD. So no exam is required here, only the qualification, that is you should have some degree in pharmacy, you know, MBA in pharmaceuticals or B Pharm, M Pharm in pharmacy, pharmaceuticals. So this is the requirement for the degree, and if you have some experience from your home country, it's very good. And even in case you don't have experience, you can start as a fresher also. Many companies are there which give chance to the fresher people, and slowly you achieve your experience here in UAE. This job has good salary. Okay, there are good appraisals in this job, a medical representative job. Like the starting salary in this is also like from 4,000 onwards, 4,000. Some companies give 5,000. If you have a UAE experience and you're changing your job, you move on to some other company, sorry. So in that case, you get a good hike in your salary, and all the medical reps here have good salary. The one thing that mostly companies ask here from a medical rep during their interview is that do you have a driving license or not? Because we all know that medical rep is a job which you don't have, where you are not stick just to one place like a pharmacist, or if you are working in a company, in a manufacturing company, you are just stick to that place. You go to that place every day and you come back to home. But in case of medical representative, you are given a territory, you are given a emirate here, okay, and you have to look after a particular area. So there you have to go and meet all the doctors, you know that. You have to meet all the pharmacies, you have to tell about your new products, the new company launches, that companies keep on adding medicines, the cosmetics and other things into their inventories. So you have to tell about your new launches to the doctors, to the pharmacies. And so you have to visit the pharmacies and the doctors on the weekly basis or the daily basis, however the criteria is, and however your company requirement is. You have your targets. Of course, you have to fulfill your targets. Targets are given by the company that you have to achieve. Okay, this is also a commission-based job, as far as I know. Commissions are based on the achievement of the targets. So you get some extra salary, some extra amount on achieving those targets. So for that you have to work really hard with the doctors and also with the pharmacist in order to push your products, you know, to sell your products more in their pharmacy and to prescribe your products more. This you have to tell to the doctors. So if you are a medical rep working as a medical representative here in Dubai, then you need to have your own car. But I know some medical reps also who used to come to a pharmacy. They were new and they do not have cars, so they were working without a car. I don't know how they used to manage, but they used to they are managing. So but it is mandatory to have a car. The companies like first or second question, most of the times first or second question is this only, that do you have do you own your own car or not, because they know you have to go to different places, you have to meet different people. For that you need to have cars so that you don't waste your time traveling with the public transport. The company gives you visa. You get 2 years of visa by your company. You get annual leaves. Okay, after 1 year you get 1 month annual leave, paid leave. You get the paid sick leaves, and also there are emergency leaves that we all know, that's a common thing. And also you get the travel allowance by your company, like the money for your petrol and diesel that because you're working for the company. You get some companies give you a mobile and a SIM card also, that is basically used for the company purpose only, not for the personal use. So many companies, many suppliers here, they provide their medical rep with a mobile and a SIM card also. They provide give them travel allowance the money for their petrol and diesel. So this is all in the medical rep job here. So as a fresher, if you want to come to Dubai and you don't want to give the pharmacist exams here, DHA, MOH and HAAD, then you can also start your career in as a medical representative, because it's also one of the, as I said, very flourishing and demanding job in Dubai. Because as I told you earlier also, we here companies usually import medicines from outside. So because of that we have a lot of suppliers here. Some companies are very big old companies, some are new companies, and there are many emerging companies. So they always have requirement for medical reps. And like this is a job where you don't even need so much of experience also. Freshers are also given chance. So just think about it of making your career in Dubai or in UAE as a medical rep, because pharmacies, as I have told you in my previous video, there are lots of pharmacies in Dubai. Like in a range of 500 meters in Dubai, you will find 3 to 4 pharmacies. Just in 500 meters, 3 to 4 pharmacy shops will be there. So because of these many pharmacies, there are many medical centers, there are many hospitals. So because of this reason, there are many medical reps also. So this is a very good opportunity for the pharma sector people who don't want to make their career as a pharmacist. They can make their career as a medical rep. You need to have B.Pharm, M.Pharm or MBA in pharmaceuticals, and experience from your home country will be a plus and will add up to your salary. In case if you are not you don't have experience and you just want to start from here itself, you can do that also. Okay, so the best thing for this will be, like, you come to Dubai on a visit visa and here you go for this job, and the company converts your visa from visit visa to the employment visa, which you get it for 2 years. So this is all about medical rep. So I hope those people who have asked me to make a video on medical rep must have got the required information. I think I've shared almost everything about this medical rep job here in Dubai. And those who want to make their fresh career, they are also welcome, and who are already working in their country and have experience and want to now explore this another country as a medical rep, Dubai, UAE, you can also come and try your luck here. So this is all in this video. So please subscribe to my channel and share and like my videos, which are mostly about the pharma sector. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I usually reply to almost all the comments that I get from you people regarding whatever your questions are on the DHA pharmacist and all. So this was the first video which was not for the pharmacist. So in future also I will come up with some new sectors, some new categories of jobs which are in pharmacy, which are for the pharmaceutical peoples. Okay, so like first was the pharmacist, which is very much always demanding job and running job here in Dubai. Second is the medical rep job, and in future I will come up with more such jobs and information about such jobs. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who are from the pharma background. Thanks for watching.